Okay, welcome to our next concrete adventure. This is used old flagstone that we pulled up from a patio, and we have them all laid out here. And what we did is we took that bucket of soap there. It's a special cleaner, and we laid it on top, scrubbed them, and then we're going to use that heavy duty 4,400 psi pressure washer on here, and we're going to try to get them kind of like that stone there. We'll see how clean they become. And these are, we already did ground stabilization on the job site. You might have seen that video. These are going on top of that, mortared in. It's going to be pretty structural. So this is part one. Be looking out for part two when we get these all cleaned up. All right, let's make concrete great again.